Welcome to our video on approving timesheets from the perspective of a project manager. There are three ways to access timesheets that are pending project manager approval. The first way is to be on the home page of the project manager himself, and here we see we've got a message saying that there's one timesheet pending our approval. The second way is to go to the top of the screen here at our strip icons, and here we have the timesheet icon with a 1, which lets us know that there is one timesheet pending our approval, our project manager approval. The final way, the third way, is to go to the home page of the project itself. The project is Bridge Inspections, so we click on the home page button for the project, and here we have a message saying that there's one timesheet pending project manager approval. So let's click on it, and we see that Tom Peterson, his name comes up. Click on him, and this is the timesheet for the week of the 21st of February. Click on that, and here we see his timesheet that's pending approval. We have the project information, the activity information, the task information. For each project and activity, we have three numbers. The first number represents the total estimated hours for the entire project. So this project was estimated to require 110 hours. The second number is the total actual hours spent to date, and so we see there have been 123 hours spent to date on this project. And then we see this final number is the actual hours spent by the resource, by Tom himself. Under activity, we have the same thing. We have 40 hours, which are the total estimated hours for the activity. 72 hours are the total actual hours for the activity, and 48 hours are the resource-specific actual hours for this activity. And so here we see that Tom has personally spent 48 hours, which is more hours than was estimated for the entire activity. Down here we have our standard rates. We have the ability to override the rate. So for example, for this particular activity or task, I want to bill Tom at $150 per hour. I can just do like so. We have our total hours, and here we have the actual daily hours with comments. When I just scroll over, I can see the comments that Tom put in for each day's hours. And then down here we've got a section to add comments. I can type in any comment here, which if I reject this invoice, the comment that I write here will be sent to him in an email. And I will write him a comment because his hours, he spent more hours here than we allocated for the entire activity. So I would hit reject, and he will get an email letting him know that I have rejected his timesheet with the comments that I included below, and then he has the ability to update and resubmit. If I were to approve this timesheet by clicking the green thumbs up arrow, the timesheet would then be submitted to the manager or team leader for final approval. As you can see, approving timesheets from the perspective of a project manager is easy and efficient. Thank you very much.